Hey guys, it's Miss May. I made this video in case I lost my voice on Friday, because you know my voice has been going out this entire week. What? So I made these notes, and you're gonna be following along with me. Occasionally, I'm gonna ask you to pause and try it by yourself, and then you'll see the answers after it to make sure that you have it correct. But we're gonna do the first page together, and then on the back we're gonna do one, and then you're gonna do one, and then you'll be independent. And then in real class, I will be walking around and helping y'all after I'll finish this video, but I won't be able to teach all 7 periods without a voice. So I made this video. So let's go ahead and start talking about translations. So the translation, if you look in the word, it has that SL, and that helps you remember that it's a slide. Remember the video? You're going to slide left and right or up and down. So it says a translation moves every point of the figure the same direction and the same distance. A translation can move a figure left or right and up or down. A translation can also be thought of as a slide. So for number 1, I want to talk about the coordinate grid specifically. Let me zoom in so y'all can see a little better. Oh, that's as good as it's going to get. So let's try this motion. Okay. This is my first time doing this, so don't you dare judge me. It's okay if you do. We're all learners. Okay. All right. So it says translate the figure 5 units to the left and 2 units down. Record the coordinates of the pre-image and image in the table. So we did the pre-image, which is the image that happens before any transformations. And we're going to do the image, which is the after. Now, I like to write little keynotes on here. So it says 5 units to the left. So I write my 5 and I put an arrow to the left and then 2 down. So the first thing is that we're going to move each letter one at a time. So I would count 5 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 down, 1, 2. That is the point A prime. Remember, prime is saying that it's the new figure. Okay, let's do B. We're going to move 5 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 down, 1, 2. B prime. Then we're going to do C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 down, 1, 2. That's C prime. Now you can go ahead and connect the dots. All right, remember we talked about this on Wednesday. We can see that the figure has preserved orientation, so it's still facing the same way, as well as a preserved, excuse me, a preserved congruence. So it stays the same size and the same shape. So let's find the points for A prime. So A prime is -3, 1, 2, 3, and up 2, so +2. All right, B prime, starting at our origin, we go +1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Then C, again, start at our origin, go over, we went over 2, and then up 1. And those are our new points. Down here it says look for any patterns and describe what happened to the x and y values in each ordered pair. So for your A, you started at 2 and then 2, 4. Well, when we moved 5 to the left, think of it as a number line. We're moving to the left, so that means we're actually going to subtract 5. And then we moved 2 down, which is going down on the number line, so we subtract 2. So what is 2 minus 5? It's -3. 4 minus 2 is 2. Look, that's what we had up here. Okay, let's try again with B. B, we had 6. Again, we're moving left 5, so it's subtract 5. And then 7 minus 2. B prime. 6 minus 5 is 1, and 7 minus 2 is 5. That's what we had up here. Lastly, we have C, which is 7 minus 5 and 3 minus 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So you can either count on the coordinate plane or you can actually do the math. Now remember, I got the -5, excuse me, -5 from the problem up here when it said 5 units to the left. Got the -2 because it says 2 down. Always think of it as a number line. Left is negative, down is negative. Okay? How can we represent this algebraically? Remember, algebraically is that fancy word for how are we changing the picture. Okay? So we always start off with x and then y. And then it changes. How did all of my x's change? They all were subtracted by 5. Okay? And then my y's, how did my y's change? All subtracted by 2. And that is our algebraic representation. Now, I would like you to try number 2 by yourself. So go ahead and pause the video